Way cool. We have to get batteries for him.
Yeah, he needs batteries. Yes. Oh, look at all these toys you're getting.
That is super cool, Dax. Do you like that? Do you like that?
Ooh, and a Hot Wheel.
Look. It's cool, yeah.
That was cool. Look at that.
Is that cool?
Right. Let's see what else we got here.
Wow, that's cool.
These are clothes. You don't want to open clothes, huh?
Ooh, Dax, what's
What's
this?
this one? Ooh.
Whoa, Dax, look.
Guy.
Look. Look.
Ooh, Chuck.
Look what Mommy's got.
Is that your pal Chuck? Yeah.
Yeah. Is that cool?
More clothes.
Is that cool? Yeah. That's cool.
Dax, let's open these presents.
Is that Chuck?
What's this? Oh, this is Daddy's present.
Oh, don't worry about that one.
What?
I mean, you can open it if you want. It doesn't matter to me.
Look what Daddy got. Daddy got an Xbox. Wow. Yay, Daddy.
And Mommy's gonna play with it with me too.
No, Mommy is going to be like, what?
What?
Mommy's going to be like, what?
This is Mommy's present right here.
Yeah, it's covered in... Don't show everybody, like, our garbage. Okay. It's a workspace.
You look pretty this man more in there.
Sick. I'm really sick. What is our dog eating?
I don't know.
The dog was a present too, actually. So
And your makeup too.
Get a bow. He's eating my makeup?
No. I'm just...
Yeah, the dog was a present. More clothes. We'll save the clothes for last.
Is that cool, Dax?
Yeah, he likes that.
Ooh, I think that's a cool toy. I think you got lots of stuff. I think.
Ooh, the musical. This is the one that he got stuff all over.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, the musical Carry-A-Tune.
You got to pick these out, and I bet you forgot all about them.
He did. The box on this is a little rough.
That's okay.
From him playing with that. Yeah, the musical Carry-A-Tune.
That's cool. Do you like that? He's looking at everything individually, like wow. Oh, look what Mommy's got, Dad. That's cool. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Look what Mommy's got. Dex, look what Mommy's got. Look. Whoa, that's cool.
Look at that. That is really cool.
That is cool.
Alright, Daddy.
Disney train.
Hand me some more presents, Dad.
Is this?
Ooh, what's this?
Whoa, Dad. Do you like that?
He does like that a lot.
Is this?
Thank y'all. Oh, a bath toy.
Oh, that would be nice. Splashing songs, Dookie. What's he do?
Oh yeah, he splashes and sings songs.
Is he out of batteries?
Yeah, he might be. He's been sitting in there a long time.
Yeah.
Since November.
Wow.
More presents, Dad.
More presents. What's this? This is hefty feeling.
This is even for... Oh, that's from this for... No.
Okay. Is this for now? I don't know.
Is this Pakuyo?
Ooh, Daxie, look!
Look at Pakuyo.
Look, it's Pocoyo. Look what Mommy's got. Whoa.
Pakuyo.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Is that cool, Dax?
Look at him surrounded by toys. Alright, Daddy, I need more. Whoa. Oh yeah.
Dax is like, this is like toy overload. There's something. Daxie, look at Mommy. What's that? Oh, yeah. What's that, Jax?
It's okay, we'll get Jack something. It's okay, we'll get him something else. How cute.
Okay, this is big, so we're waiting for it. The jokes!
Oh, you got a Santa Claus.
Hey, Dax, look. Ho, ho, ho. Dax, like, overwhelmed.
Yeah, he's like, what do I do with all these toys?
What's this?
Oh, I know what this is. This little garbage pail guy.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I mean, Santa forgot about that. Ho, ho, ho. Look at this kid. He looks like he's like drowning in a sea of toys.
Yes.
Oh, you like that too? He's like, show me those. He's like, don't just put them on the ground, Mommy. He's like, what is this all about?
There's his microwave.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Jax, here's your microwave, buddy.
I'm so glad you called. Daxie, look.
There's your microwave you wanted so bad.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, are you cooking up a baba in there? Okay, let's see. Yeah, is this?
5, 9, 0. Wow, Feebles.
Oh, yeah.
6, 9.
I forgot about that. 3. Look, Dax. Wow, that is cool. Hey, Dax, look at that.
0.
Show that to him.
Dax, look at it.
1.
Whoa, that's cool. Oh, that is pretty cool.
5.
He's totally overwhelmed. He's like, what's going on?
5.
Is this?
7.
We're gonna be all done.
8.
Well, he's still got his clothes.
2. 6. 9.
He's got his little cars.
Yeah, do those make sounds?
No.
That's alright.
He's got enough stuff that makes sounds.
I know, he doesn't. Oops. Did it put a hole in there? Whoa!
Wow.
Dax, look, you got the little people and you got the Weebles. They're competitors. They're like
Ride in Ramp's garage.
whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, they're like rivals. The Weebles and the little people.
0.
Wow.
5.
Look at that.
Wow.
5.
Wow.
7.
All right, and
7.
unless this is something. What's this?
Oh, that's Nona's.
5.
This is 2 Dax from Santa. That's a clothes or something.
Yeah, I'm saving all the clothes for last.
Okay, and so basically, I think we just have this big, this guy.
All right, let's check it out. Let's check out the big guy. What could the big guy be, Dax?
Should I open this?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh, this is cool, Dax. You know it's gonna be like a crazy task opening all these out of the packaging. Because, like, literally, they've got all those little, you know, those twisty things and those little... The joke's on you, Daxman!
Wow, look at that. It's a train table set.
Yeah. Look at this, Daxie.